What's up guys, I'm Andy from 1A Auto. In this video, I'm going to show you how to replace the media steering wheel controls on this 2001 BMW 325Xi. If you need parts for your vehicle, click the link in the description, head over to 1AAuto.com. With the trunk open, over on the right side or the passenger side, there should be a cover that goes right here. This vehicle doesn't have one, but you're going to want to remove that cover. Battery is located right here. First thing I'm going to do is take a 10mm socket and a ratchet, loosen up this nut for the negative terminal, and that's loose. Slide off the cable, slide it out of the way. So you want to make sure you disconnect the battery before you take the airbag off, because you don't want the airbag system seeing that the airbag's out. You'll get an airbag light. So what we're going to do is, after disconnecting the battery, just put the key in the ignition, turn the wheel to the side like this, disconnect the key. Then I'm going to take a Torx driver. Now this is actually really difficult. There's two holes. There's one hole on the bottom, one hole on the top. Now you need the driver because you need the length. Otherwise a socket's probably not going to fit back there. But then this driver actually has a hole right here, so what you can do is, to get some leverage, you can put another pocket screwdriver or something in the hole and then break this screw free. Generally it's very difficult to at least get that screw broken free. And you can do the same on this side. If you don't have enough room here, what you can do is you can telescope the wheel out, bring it down, see if you have more room. We have more room. I'm going to try to break this free this way. And that's really on there pretty good. So loosen that up. When that's loose, take the key, turn the wheel back to straight, take the key out, and I can just grab this airbag. You can disconnect it over here, the connector right here, disconnect it right there, and then disconnect this connector. This goes to the switches. When you have the airbag out of the vehicle and you want to place it down, make sure you always place it with the bag part facing up. You don't want it to explode this way if it exploded by accident. I'm gonna disconnect this connector right here. Just grab it and slide it out. And there's two screws right here. I am gonna hold the airbag like this. Like I said before, you don't wanna place it face down. And then I'm gonna use a T25 to loosen up these two screws. Take this one out as well. And slide the switches right out. Take the switch, slide it in position. Then we'll take the screw, get this one started. And get the bottom one started. Take the T25 driver and just snug these up. Not too tight, just snug. That's good. Take the connector, just slide it back in. Now, take the airbag, we want to connect these connectors. This one goes right here, just line it up. It is slotted, and then same with this one. One's going to go right there. Just line that up in position, just like that. I am going to take the key, just rotate the steering wheel. Take the T25 driver. You can wiggle the airbag to see if you got that started. And and tighten that up pretty snug. That's good. And same with the top one. If you have trouble getting this one in, you can twist the steering wheel back the other way. It's a little bit easier to tighten it from underneath here. And tighten that one snug. You're good. You're all set to hook the battery up. We can take the negative side, connect the negative side. Take the same 10mm socket and ratchet, tighten it up. That's good. At this point, if you had that cover, you're going to want to put the cover back where it goes.
Thanks for watching. Visit oneauto.com, your place for DIY auto repairs, for great parts, great service, and more content.